We love testing the latest and greatest gadgets that can improve our drinking experience. Remember Consumer Electronics Show, the place where we go every year to try the best new tech? So, former Apple engineers introduced the most powerful portable blender on the market. Now, we can finally put this unique device through an ultimate test to see what it is capable of and if it's worth it. The unboxing of this blender makes it feel like it's an iPhone. It is designed as something you would find at the Apple Store, not Bed Bath & Beyond. It's pretty heavy and doesn't feel cheap. Also, since it has a rechargeable battery, the box includes a cable to charge it like your phone. Well, actually better, iPhone doesn't even have a USB-C charger yet. And the silicone funnel for easier loading ingredients in the Hydro Flask bottle. The website says that it fits premium cruise bottles and many other popular wide-mouth bottles to keep drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Well, my most popular water bottle from Amazon is outside that category. It's okay, there are different colors of bottles available in 22 and 32 ounces. I think the best one is 34 ounces plastic bottle. It's light and clear, so you can see what's happening with your ingredients. But I was most interested in testing the extreme power provided by 9 batteries. And yeah, this motor is more powerful than I anticipated. Let's see if this motor delivers the same performance when making the power smoothie. So I added a power mix of almonds, walnuts and dried berries, a few carrots, a celery, frozen pineapples, peaches and mangoes, protein powder, a few sunflower seeds, liquid honey, some greens since it's usually hard to blend, and for liquid I used oat milk. I don't put all these ingredients in my smoothie, but some of you might. It's actually mind-blowing how a little blender handles all these random ingredients. The only thing, it automatically stops about every 20 seconds or so. I don't know exactly why. Maybe it is programmed the way so the blender thinks it's enough to blend all the ingredients. It took 3 full cycles, but it completely destroyed all these hard ingredients, and this smoothie had a perfectly creamy, smooth texture without any unblended chunks. It got a little warm, and I thought it should be tested in a different environment. It is advertised as a blender that can be used on the beach or by the pool. So today is a chill day in Las Vegas, about 90 degrees outside. I blended a variety of slushy margaritas, daiquiris, and other drinks. The temperature didn't affect the performance, but after about 7 drinks, it started blending slower with more frequent stops. So yeah, it was time to recharge it. And I know you're asking, is it powerful enough to replace our traditional blenders? Well, the thing is, top-rated blenders such as NutriBullet or Vitamix are significantly more powerful. I made 3 identical mango daiquiris with syrup and used small ice cubes that are recommended to use not to damage blender blades. So as expected, large blenders makes a perfect slushy at least 3 times faster than the blender cap. It took 2 25-second cycles and some shaking to properly blend all the ingredients. It crushed the ice cubes completely and the texture was perfect. It's not even close when it comes to power, but big blenders are also 3 times louder and must be connected to the outlet. Different results came out from the ice test. Vitamix annihilated a cup of ice in like 7 seconds, but NutriBullet struggled, and after 30 seconds there was still a half cup of ice cubes. I could shake a small blender and the results after 30 seconds were a little better, but still, for crushing ice without liquids, you should use a bigger blender. Overall, I loved it. It's tiny compared to a regular size blender, it's powerful, looks great in the studio without extra wires, and has a smart safety feature. I don't plan to take it to the gym to make protein shakes, but I will replace my regular blender and test it more this season to see if it performs the same after the summer. So, would you buy this blender for $129? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.